Memories with you are always floating in my mind, and I remember them so clearly. I wanna do it all over again. I miss laying on the grass in the warm sunshine. It was so simple and so sweet. Going to New York, got on a plane, no cherry blossoms in the Empire State. I'm too blind, all this in your face. Looking at your picture, tears in my eyes. Texting you, I'm telling a lie. I don't wanna feel this pain inside. Since I left you, I don't feel alright. Can't sleep and I think about you all the time. All I do is scream, shout and cry. I didn't wanna say goodbye, and every time I say goodnight, I wonder why. What did I let